All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I have returned to a campground I was at just a few days ago. This is the Dunbarton Quarry on the Bay campground. I think it's in Fremont, and I am here now with a couple of triking friends, Leslie and Paula. They know this area very, very well. This is where they had a home and worked for a long, long time, and we're going to be here for a few days, and they're going to explore the area, show me around. Today we are meeting Zach and Russell. We're going to be crossing the Dunbarton Bridge from Fremont to Palo Alto, and we're going to ride around and explore the Stanford University campus. So, all right, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Okay, so we are on our trikes leaving the campground. We got Paula in front, Leslie behind, and we are making our way to the Dunbarton Bridge to meet up with Zach and Russell. So we're officially in the city of Fremont, going through a wildlife refuge here. Okay, we are getting on the Dunbarton Bridge, and I have the stick out so that we can see the view. It's a little bit windy. Can feel the camera moving high above me. It always looks really funny when I use this camera because it looks like I'm jousting. The pole is 10 feet long. So we got Paula directly ahead, Zach behind. Oh yeah, look at these pelicans flying up above. Beautiful. Hi. Oh, really huffing and puffing. So we're coming into East Palo Alto, and we have to be on a fairly busy road here for just a little while. It's loud, but there's plenty of room. Plenty of room for trikes to pass each other even. So we are on a path that is right along the Facebook campus. Whoa. This is kind of a...
Your bag may not fit, Sylvia.
I got it. Hey, Russell.
Hello.
Very nice path here. These pine cones.
Oh, taking the high road.
We're taking the high road. Look how reflective the water is. Just beautiful. Yeah, so there's beautiful marshlands here. And if you look across, this is all Facebook, and the trees that you see on top of the building, it's a rooftop garden. Those trees are planted on the roof And look how far it goes. It goes a long way.
There we go.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, thumbs down.
Perfect.
My impression of Palo Alto is that it's pretty upscale. I'm not really sure if I've ever been there before. So we're going to go under a very busy street. Oh, look at this. Yeah, we got some mural artwork. Bicyclist dismount. Oh, looks like there's just enough room for the trikes. Year of the Ocean, 1998. Oh, this is pretty cool, isn't it? And then we're going to go back up. Kind of steep. Got to go into a lower gear. Yeah, so we're in Palo Alto right now. All right, so we have stopped for lunch and we're back on our trikes and we are headed to Stanford University now. It seems that there's a lot of cycling roads. Feels very safe to ride here. Nice bike lane to get us into the university. Beautiful, beautiful campus here. A biking roundabout. Oopsie. That was a close call. Oh, it's pretty empty square. It's like a plaza in Mexico. Oopsie. Ah, this is quite elaborate, isn't it? Seems like a Catholic church in the middle of Stanford campus. Bet it's gorgeous inside too. All right, so this is a Rodin sculpture, the Burgers. Wandering around Stanford University campus. Wow, we've got a sculpture garden here. Center for Visual Arts.
There's the gates of hell. Let's pay whatever.
There's some serious. This is more Rodin. I wonder if this isn't all Rodin. Oh my goodness, look at this entrance. Is this a sculpture or is it an actual entrance?
No, it's called the Gates of Hell.
The Gates of Hell, how about that?
I think it's a replica of what might be an actual appearance, if I remember correctly.
Wow. Yeah, let's take a closer look. So this is Adam
Are you sure?
and Eve and the Gates of Hell. Really intricate.
The gates of hell.
Boy, just look at all this open space.
Isn't it delightful?
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. When I first saw this big space, I thought it was a golf course, but it's not.
It's like a desert garden.
Oh, and a desert garden over here. Wow. Oh, this campus is huge. Stately. It looks like a mausoleum. Leland Stanford and Jane Stanford and Leland Jr. So this is a burial plot.
Yeah, it's a real thing.
It's the real thing.
And this college is named for the junior.
For the junior, okay, so it's named for Leland Stanford Jr. Stanford University. Wow. Well, that's quite impressive. So in the middle of all this lush green is a desert garden. We might be able to ride our trikes through it. That's really funny. Careful for thorns. And some are flowering. Yuccas and Joshua trees. Yeah, look at this Joshua tree. Is this a Joshua tree? It's huge, is what it is. Wow, look at that cactus there. It's so gnarly. Wrinkly one, yeah. It looks like it's getting ready to flower. God, all kinds of spears coming off of it. Yeah, the main entrance for the hospital, as well as the children's hospital. Yeah, look at this. It's like a horse farm on the Stanford University campus. Just gorgeous. So we have found another bike path. This is great. Going over a little bridge here. A pretty dry creek. And then into a neighborhood. Well, that was really sweet. So this is a bike boulevard, Peninsula Bikeway. I guess it's like a Sharrow Road. So I just ran out of battery on my GoPro, so I'm using my iPhone. And we are almost back to the campground after just a sensational ride. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Stopped by Facebook, Stanford University campus, saw all kinds of art. And look at this just amazing trail that we're taking back. And this it goes right to the campground. So here we are, we're parked side by side. Leslie has opened up her truck. And I'm right next door here. Beastie and Basti. And here's Russell. Well, you guys, great riding with you. Fantastic day.
Oh, it was
Just
absolutely perfect.
Just fantastic. Yeah, baby.
No.